Tree of Life book. Mom followed Spirit's guidance at every turn, building multiple websites and doing sessions to assist others in releasing all programming and conditioning that is keeping humanity in dysfunction. Two former team members at one point blackmailed Mom, demanding she publicly denounce herself as God, or they would take her website. Money, 17,000 saved for the Crystal Schools. When Mom refused, they changed the passwords and took all her money. Having lost everything, Mom went outside and began to question, what if I am making this up? What if I'm not God? At which point, the trees beside her said, "You are God, Mom." And Mom rehearted, "Oh yes, all of creation speaks to me."